It's God's own on the bit.
God's own killing me with his sound. I go repeat it for you, baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop. Beauty, there's no life without you, girl. You are beautiful. I build my world around you, girl. You make my dreams come true. Iba, hey. Girl, you give me fever.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I'm back with a wet look kind of hairstyle. So this is a hairstyle, you guys, that's been trending lately, and I decided to give it a try using some Betterlength clip-ins. So I've had these clip-ins for over a year now, you guys. Like, seriously, I'm gonna leave a link for you guys to watch the first review I did on these clip-ins. Like, seriously, these are the clip-ins I'm wearing right now. Like, seriously, they blend so beautifully with my falsy natural hair. Having had them for over a year, you guys, you would think that they've lost their volume, they've lost their texture, but you guys, these clip-ins are just good quality. Their texture is still amazing. It is still gorgeous. Like, you can see the juicy curls that I have right now, you guys. Like, seriously, these clip-ins will last you a long time if you look after them like your own real hair. You only need to make sure that you wash them like your own real hair. You deep condition like your own real hair. Like, give them like a TLC, just like you do to your own natural hair. So I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video.
Any day my body, you dey give me distraction, and you causing commotion. The day your body, any day my body, you dey do me vibration, and you causing. See, I just wanna let you know, girl, you make me lose my.
Girls, I'm going for the wet look kind of look this time. So this is something that I've actually never tried on my falsy hair. So I've already separated where I want my leave out to be, and I'm gonna see what I can do. So do excuse these old twists. They've been there for, you know, a good while. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the clip-ins from Betterlength Hair Company. These clip-ins, I've washed them, deep conditioned them, and they look very juicy. So they are kind of wet at the moment. As you can see, they still have like bits of water, but they are not dripping wet, but they do have a little bit of moisture and a leave-in conditioner. So you can see how gorgeous and juicy these clip-ins look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install these clip-ins for you guys. You don't need anything more than one bundle because we're going for a natural kind of flawless look. Like, I don't have too much hair, so I want this to look as natural as possible. So I don't want the hair to look too overpowering or like too big. I just want it to look natural. Like, seriously, guys. So I'm just installing the last clip in track right here. Guys, look at those curls. They're very juicy, and look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna now go ahead and work on this hair. Like, seriously, we're going for the wet look, hunty, so we need it to look natural and gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Auntie Jackie's curl maintenance just to define the curls a little bit more. They do look defined and juicy. Like I said, the hair is still wet, but we're going for the wet look, Auntie, so we want it to look as juicy as possible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab like this much and just work it through the hair. And like this is all the shading that I've received just by detangling the hair with my fingers. So these are good clip-ins, like very good quality clip-ins. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Eco Style gel. Like seriously guys, I don't know why I always call it Eco Style gel. Like there's no R at the end. Like it's just hilarious. I'm like, why do I call it Eco Style gel? It's Eco Style gel. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one because you guys know this is my favorite. The green one is my all-time favorite, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to make this hair, like to define this hair a little bit more. And I'm gonna grab some water. So this is just plain water from the tap, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz this water on my hair and then go ahead and use the gel. So I'm just gonna grab my Eco Style gel. Do forgive me guys, I'll get used to this. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my leave out. So like pray for me. Hopefully I can blend this easily because my hair is a falsy kind of a kinky texture. So now that we've created our middle part, I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the process. So right now I need to define this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle with my diamond brush. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it with water. Okay, so I just make sure that it is well saturated, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my Eco Style gel, and I'm just gonna try to shingle the hair. Okay, so on my hair already there's some leave-in conditioners. I don't want too much product on my hair because you know this is all twist out. So right now I'm blending my hair and the clip-ins. As you can see right here, I'm just brushing my hair and blend it with the clip-ins. Oh gosh, why am I not talking properly today? So as you can see right here, this is what we're looking at. Like my hair ends somewhere right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some bobby pins just to secure my hair here, because I don't want my hair to curl up, because it will definitely curl up and go back that way. So we want to maintain this nice and slick look. Okay, oops, oh gosh, my earring just fell out. I'm gonna use my got to be glued gel just to help with my hair slick down a little bit more, because you know what I'm saying, I just want it to be as slick as possible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go over where my hair meets the clip-ins, like where my hair ends, somewhere right here. But if you can look closely, you can't really tell where my hair is. Like seriously, look at that. That is absolutely amazing. So So I'm just using bobby pins, but I'm sure you won't be able to see where my hair is ending, but just for extra security, because when my hair starts getting dry it can actually curl up a little bit more. So I'm just gonna secure here with a bobby pin like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same process. Like as you can see right here guys, this hair is blended so well. Like you can see that looks absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off this other half. My hair here's some leave-in conditioner already, so I'm not gonna put too much product because I don't want this to look a hell of a mess. So yeah. Once I've done this, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair down and let it sit for a while, okay? And I'll be right back with you guys.
God's own on the bit.
God's own killing me with his sound. I go repeat it for you, baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop. Beauty, there's no life without you. Girl, you are beautiful. I build my world around you, girl.
Yeah, so you guys don't forget to check out Betterlength hair company. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. Like, let me know your thoughts on this wet look kind of thing. Have you tried it? Like, have you used clip-ins before? Like, let me know what you think about these clip-ins in the comment section down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.